So in today's topic, we are going to learn about line connectivity and line configurations. So here, you should know this line configuration or line connectivity. This is one of the smallest topic, or you can call a term which has to be used in the further concept, which is about topologies. Line, as you can see that here, why do we use a line basically? To join two particular things, right? Here also, this line connectivity joins two kinds of systems together. Two or more devices together are connected in a line with the help of a line. This is nothing but a link in between two or more devices. Line configuration refers to the way two or more communication devices attach to a link. A link is a communication pathway that transfers data from one device to another. There are two possible line configurations. Okay, fine. There are the two ways in which this line configurations are further divided into. But here you see line configuration, they are nothing but in which two or more communication devices are connected with one another, and when they are connected with one another, they form a link between them, right? And this link is nothing but a communication pathway between two different devices. And there are two possible ways in which this links can be established. First one is point to point. As the name suggests here, point to point means what? It is a dedicated communication system. Means you have to move from system A to system B. Then the link has been established between these two devices or these two communications only. And it is specified in the beginning of the communication. And the exchange of information will happen only between these two devices. Now, the most common example of point-to-point connection is a computer connected to a telephone line. So, in olden days, these computer workstations were connected to telephone lines. It was connected by telephone lines. So now coming to the second type of line configuration, which is multi-point line connectivity or line configuration. Now here, as the name suggests, multi means it is connected to multiple devices. It is relatable to multiple devices. Ignore this handwriting by the way. And so all this multi-point line connectivity is also called as multi-drop configuration. And in this connection, two or more devices are connected in the same link. It means they are connected in the same pathway. Next, there are two kinds again in this multi-point. First one is spatial sharing and the second one is time sharing. So what is spatial sharing? The devices sharing the same pathway or the same link simultaneously. It means all the devices connected are in the same link and they are connected to the same link at the same time, and they're sharing that pathway. Next is time sharing. It means users, they have to take turns to use this link or the pathway. I hope it's clear now. Now, if this part is clear, we can move to topologies, which is a very simple topic. Let's see.